Another day and another case unboxing and review from the Tech Travel Geeks. In this case, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a shockproof cover for the Google Pixel 4a, which I purchased on Aliexpress. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and I'm currently struggling with the packaging to this shockproof case for my Google Pixel 4a, which I purchased on Aliexpress. And you can see that there's a nice bit of plastic packaging on the outside, but not much else apart from a leaflet explaining the product and how to put the case on the phone. There is an additional cardboard insert which says for Google Pixel 4a with some unrealistic bezels and the case itself. So first things first, similar to our cases from Ringke, we're probably going to have to take off this plastic protective layer which is on the case to keep that transparent plastic panel safe. So the idea is to get your fingernail just inside the plastic film and then peel that off. So I'm taking my time so as to not scratch the case, and there we have it. That was fairly easy. So that's the outside one done. Now let's see if this is easier than the Ringke Fusion X case that we recently unboxed on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Yep, that seems to be coming off. And there we have it. So it's a nice transparent finish to the film. Now, I am going to read the instructions here. It is something that you might want to do. So you need to pull the cover insert out of the rubber insert. So this is a two-piece case. I haven't used one of these in a while, but it essentially keeps your phone super safe by allowing you to take the impact of any potential falls and dampen them with this two-sided case. So the idea is that you put your case in bottom up, make sure you have the cutouts more or less matching, and we're going to put that case in. Now once that's done, it's good to make sure you don't have any sand or anything abrasive on the back of your phone. Once that's in place, you clip this case into the more rubberized one. And this is how you set up this case. It's not a simple one, but it promises to offer more protection for your smartphone. So that should be it. Yes, so that's the case in place. Now this adds a significant amount of bulk to the petite phone that is the Google Pixel 4a. It has, as you saw, a hard plastic insert in the case, which then goes into the rubberized finish with that transparent back. Now the fingerprint reader is easily accessible. As you can see, I can easily unlock the phone using the ergonomically placed fingerprint reader and the cutout on the transparent back of the case. The camera module is well protected. There's quite a bit of clearance there in terms of that camera module. The buttons, they all work great. So I'm going to switch off the phone. It's really, that button goes straight through to the button on the phone, which is great. Now I'm going to unlock the phone. Let's check the volume buttons. Yep, that works great. Perfect. And as you can see, none of the screen is actually covered by the case. That harder plastic insert is using the bezels to their full extent to support the case, and it seems to work. There's nothing impeding the selfie camera, which in this case is the Dotch on the Google Pixel 4a, and so overall, I think that's a good case, for a rugged case for the Google Pixel 4a. Now, this was purchased on Aliexpress. We'll be popping a link in the description to the product on Aliexpress. If you're interested, there's also this same case available for the Pixel 5, the Pixel 4a 5G, and other smartphones. So it's not just for the Google Pixel 4a, this is something that you'll be able to find elsewhere. Now the kicker is the price. So this has free shipping, and I purchased this phone case for the Google Pixel 4a, this rugged phone case, for less than £3. So at less than £3, if you don't mind waiting a week or two for it to be delivered, I think this is really good value for money, considering an equivalent case on Amazon will cost you between £10 and £20 sterling. Obviously, you need to factor in that extra waiting time. That may be a cost to you if you were to drop your phone, but it's a good thing. So thank you for watching this video. We tend to publish phone case unboxings and reviews every morning UK time here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this far. If you have done so, you're obviously a minority depending on our understanding of Google Analytics and YouTube Analytics. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube, and goodbye from me.